Ensure long-lasting protection with South Sound Roofing LLC, your trusted roofing specialists serving Thurston County, Washington. With 20 years of experience, we provide high-quality roofing solutions for homes and businesses, including roof replacement, roof repair, flat roof services, metal roof services, roof cleaning. Don't wait for roofing issues to get worse. Call us at 360-522-5462 or 360-884-2362 to schedule your free consultation. Get the expert roofing solutions your property deserves. Call us now.